Hello, hello, hello. It's me, your friendly Maritime Officer Jessica, back again to share with you a little wisdom. Remember what we're talking about, safety and sustainability in all that we do. So today I'm going to take a bit of time and break down for you marine facilities. And what does your friendly Maritime Officer Jessica mean when she says marine facility? Basically, any facility, any operation, business, building, and so on that is involved in marine activity. This could be vessel building, something that perhaps we used to see a lot more of before, and we are hoping that we will see a lot more of it now and in the future. And you know, once we're building our vessels, what do we need to do to be able to be safe and sustainable? We need to maintain them. And from time to time, we need to also repair them. And once again, in terms of looking to be sustainable, we also need to find ways to recycle them. We also want to look at vessel haul-out facilities. This is important as well. Or marinas, if we want to be encouraging more business, more persons to come to Barbados in terms of sailing and different boating activity, we need to be able to foster that as well. And also vessel docking facilities. So in order to have a marine facility, perhaps you're considering that you want to pursue this line of business. As in all things, safety comes first. So you need to be able to have a marine facility survey. This is necessary in order to commence your operations, and then thereafter you need to have one done annually to be able to continue. And in doing this survey, they are going to be looking at things in terms of the safety of the operations. Once again, environmental protection, we can't get away from that. And also waste management. When this is done, you'll be issued with a marine facility certificate. When the surveyor comes and he has a look at your operations and the different things that it entails, and he is satisfied, he is going to issue you with this certificate. It must be kept on display at all times in your facility. However, should anything happen during that time after he has issued it to cause concern, this certificate can also be suspended or revoked for what we will call non-compliance. You're not complying, you're not obeying the rules, the conditions, or whatever. So we would withdraw that, and then when you bring yourself back online, you will be able to have your certificate and go forward once again. Now, establishment or extension of your marine facility. Either you're now considering it, or you already have one and you're looking to expand. Maybe you're looking to add some element that you didn't have already, you know, like a proper businessman. So we want to make sure, once again, you're going to get tired hearing me say this, that it's being done in a sustainable way. Okay, what are some of the ways we can ensure that? We need to have an environmental impact assessment done. A mouthful once again. This basically means we need to understand how your operation is going to impact or affect the environment, the surroundings around you. Sometimes this could be through fumes, through air pollution. Sometimes this could even be through noise. This could be through pollution in other means, okay? So as in all things, once again, we need to keep things balanced. We want to make sure that you prosper, and we want to make sure that what's going on around you continues to be healthy, continues to be sustainable. And you also need to look at consulting with the planning and development authorities, okay? We want to have the correct permission. We want to make sure that everything is above board when it comes to you. All right, so we're on the home stretch now. Don't get tired with me. We're almost there in terms of letting you understand what you need to do to get this marine facility up and running, or if you already have it up and running, what you need to do to be able to expand and spread your wings and continue to be successful. So in this environmental management plan, we're going to look at things such as chemical and waste storage. Very important, because a lot of things we take for granted, we need to understand how to store those chemicals. Some things are not fit to be stored next to each other. We have to be very understanding and very mindful of how we store things, and more importantly, even how we dispose of things. Emergency response, in terms of if there's a fire, if there's a chemical spill, you need to be able to understand how to safeguard your employees, how to safeguard yourself, how to safeguard the environment around you. The removal of paint, pressure cleaning, spray painting, fiberglass, all things that go along with maintaining, building vessels, keeping them in pristine condition and so on. Fiberglass, welding, engine maintenance and repair. Some of these things, you know what? They lend to air pollution and noise pollution. And we don't want that. We have persons calling the calling programs or whatever and complaining about you. We want you to be able to live in that harmonious relationship with persons around you, and furthermore with yourself and with your employees and your clients. So once again, in wrapping up, are you going to be able to tell me what are our keywords? Safety and sustainability. Let all that you do be done in a balanced way. Keep it safe, keep it thriving and prospering.